narrative that I don't try. Maybe it's 'cause you don't care if I cry. Won't let you talk to me like that. I'll give you one single second to take a step back. 'Cause what you doing don't sound with me right. I'ma do everything to bring back my light. You can go and pack all your bags. I'm done with your lies, so go get a cab. 'Cause I already told the girls the facts, and they just know how I'm about to act. You made your point, but now I just wanna be alone. Go call her phone, 'cause I'm coming home with your boy. Coming home with your boy. I'm coming home with your boy. Coming home with your boy. I'm coming home with your boy. With your boy. I'm coming home with your boy. Coming home with your boy. Don't worry about what I've been doing now. You had your shot, but wow, you blew that somehow. Yeah, it still hurts, but you know what I will say. This made me stronger, so thank you by the way. Won't let you talk to me like that. I'll give you one single second to take a step back. 'Cause what you doing don't sound with me right. I'ma do everything to bring back my light. You can go and pack all your bags. I'm done with your lies, so go get a cab. 'Cause I already told the girls the facts, and they just know how I'm about to act. You made your point, but now I just wanna be alone. Go call her phone, 'cause I'm coming home with your boy. Coming home with your boy. I'm coming home with your boy. Coming home with your boy. I'm coming home with your boy. With your boy. I'm coming home with your boy. Coming home with your boy. Not trying to be a pessimist, just clearing up the fact that you can't commit. Why'd you drag me into this? Now I gotta add your name on the bottom of my ex list. Not trying to be a pessimist, just clearing up the fact that you can't commit. Why'd you drag me into this? Now I gotta add your name on the bottom of my ex list.
Going back and forth about heading out or staying in? With Spotify Premium, you can download and take your music offline for whichever path you choose. Just download and pull up your playlists to keep the tunes flowing from one adventure to the next. Upgrade to Premium and listen your way. Tap the banner to learn more. Do you want to make the most of your playlists? With Spotify Premium, you can listen to all the songs that fuel your fire without hearing ads. Play it loud and play it proud, without music interruptions. Upgrade to Premium and listen your way. Tap the banner to learn more.
I don't know what you wanna hear. Things changing course, smiles fade to grin. Now the moment's gone, just as I feared. And I was hoping this time. No longer here, we were feeling bliss. Don't hold your tongue, there's no time for tricks. You've been closing up, I expected this, but I was hoping you'd stay open this time. I know it won't be long. I know you're almost gone. Hold on, let me in before the day is over. Just let me in before the day is over. Say something soon, we might lose it all. Something we can use to break our fall. There's nothing left to do when we start to stall. And I was hoping that we could hold it this time. I know it won't be long. I know you're almost gone. Hold on, let me in before the day is over. Just let me in before the day is over. Let me in, let me in. Just let me in before the day is over. Aphrodisiac potion. We both took a sip, both know what this is. Just looking for affection, add a piece to my collection. And maybe who knows, let's see where this goes. Cause the head's so good and she brings me peace. We don't talk too much, but
Pussy wet like an ocean, aphrodisiac potion. We both took a sip, both know what this is. Just looking for affection, add a piece to my collection. And maybe who knows, let's see where this goes. Cause the head's so good and she brings me peace. We don't talk too much, but that's fine with me. I'm lonely, you're lonely too. Exactly what you done to me. Just I wanna be alone with you. Your love is so comforting. I'm lonely, you're lonely too. Exactly what you done to me. Just I wanna be alone with you. Your love is so comforting. On the grind, came the doge and the foolish start. On the grind, came the doge and the foolish start. Young nigga always held his own. Feel like I'm way overdue for pop. Fed up, hell yeah, I've been through a lot. Keep it on me, come see if that's true or not. Drop the race, 2 G's and a 4L. That's how me and all my troopers rock. Play with us, fuck around, get your shooter shot. It's gonna be a sad day when that Ruger knock. We ain't done yet, we gon' spin the block. Fake shot, spot news, what we do to ops. Know them niggas want me gone, but I can't go, I'ma shoot my gun back. Only got yourself and some hope, and if I go, who gon' teach my son that? Break up tryna blame my faults, and time goes on, but we always run back. Tryna find ways just to cope, I've been there before, know we all been done bad. Colorblind, dollar signs, swear that's all that I think about. Internal wounds on my conscience, lose my mind, start bleeding now. He relate to my problems, so his trauma got him singing loud. Mixed emotions, can't stop it, and my temper can't keep it down. If you run out of options, girl, you know what keys to die. Don't care if this toxic, want your love and I need it now. One day we was lovers and friends, but everything gotta come to an end. Heartbreak got you running again. I just want something real, I don't wanna pretend. Really felt connections from the touch of your skin. Constantly drinking, I'm stuck in a binge. Are you careless or was it revenge? Crazy what the true colors could blend. Think about me all day, what you probably do. Now you trying to get used to somebody new. I could've rushed some shit just to copy you. I just put all my feelings inside the stew. I was looking for you to lean on my son in the music. This really what got me through. Have you ever let the wrong one steal your heart? I've been a victim of robbery too. We parting ways and I'm fine with that, cause the same old shit ain't got time for that. Common sense, that's what your mind would like. Yeah, you tried to play, can't rewind it back up. Grinding for the fam, I was up all night. Likes on the gram, got you caught up in the hype. Time that we spent, either fuck or fight. Then our hearts got cold, cause the love wasn't right. One day we was lovers and friends, but everything gotta come to an end. Heartbreak got you running again. I just want something real, I don't wanna pretend. Really felt connections from the touch of your skin. Constantly drinking, I'm stuck in a binge. Are you careless or was it revenge? Crazy what the true colors could blend.
This there's nothing to say. I'm not quite sure we'd fix it. Guess we're so used to it. Wish I'd known this from the beginning. We find it hard to work out why we have all this doubt. If I told you, you know how to go and break my heart in two. 'Cause I win anyways. We'd end up like always. You know me, you better show me that you could say it to my face. 'Cause you know we're the same. There's worse things I can take.
Get peace of mind knowing what's coming next when you're listening. Turn off shuffle to tune into playlists and albums from start to finish, all while enjoying uninterrupted music listening. Discover more ways to stay in your zone with Spotify Premium. Tap the banner to learn more. Music is personal. Have the power to set the tone from start to stop with Spotify Premium. Listen to all your favorite playlists and albums in any order, and download any track to play offline. All with no ad breaks. Just uninterrupted music listening. Tap the banner to learn more.